I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy. Alright. We need like a thing. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. What? Get it, get it, get it.
This is what we do on Saturday night.
Simple day in the life of Corey and Alexis.
Yes.
What can I say?
Yes. Oh my god. Okay, tell the story.
Oh, okay. Well, this little dude, look how scary he is. Look at his freaking ugly face. He looks like your mom. Okay, well, anyways. We took a Barbie. He raped her, killed her, chopped her head off, decapitated her with this knife right here.
No.
This is what me and Angela do when we get bored. Merry Christmas and a happy fucking New Year. So,
what else is there?
oh, we could play this game. Ready?
Now there's a story behind this game.
You need to film you on this too so we can see who wins. We're gonna get
No, laugh when it doesn't get the game.
maybe down here.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Then we have two each.
Okay.
Okay, how do we win? What do I do? Okay.
What was that?
Do it again. Okay, do it again.
What was that?
I'm ready. We're playing a game. Do you want to play?
Something wrong?
Come and play with us. Do you want to play it?
No.
Alright, go, go.
That's stupid.
It never got me. Okay, ready? I get both of them. Alright. Let's get it. Get it.
Get it.
Alright, I'm gonna try to hold it long.
So losers gotta take shots.
What? Do you wanna play?
No,
Don't hold it long. Why would you keep holding it? You're like, you get used to it. Hold on to it while it does it to you. I'm scared. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, don't. Hold it. No, I'm scared. I don't hold it. I don't even care that I'm pussy right now. I don't give a fuck. What does it feel like? It hurts. Let's do these. Oh. Get them. That's not me. Oh, I can't feel my hands anymore.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. No. Ay. Get it.
Is this still going?
Yeah.
How long?
I cut it right now.